Alright, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So will be the third series from our Python Django web application. Okay, so my name is Christopher. I'm going to take you through this process. So in the previous series, if you have not watched it, I will put the description below to see what we discussed in the previous series. Alright, so we're going to take the first step. So how do we set up a Django website? Now you have to make sure that you have a Python running on your website. Okay, so how to set up your Python, we will look at that. I will drop a description at the bottom to on the video on how to set up a Python on your system. Okay, so you visit the Python official website. Okay, you can download the Windows version. So if you are using Linux or Macs or other, you have you can yes, a version for you to set up on your web app. I am using Windows, so I have it running already on my website. Okay, so immediately that is done, you will be able to run Python on your website. So what we are going to do is I'm going to set up a folder on my web application on my system. Okay, so let's call it Django web app. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you do your folder. So I'm going to create my folder this way. So I'm going to have what's it called? Okay, let me do it this way so that it's going to be long. Django web app. So I'll do the series. Okay, so have Django web app. So after creating the app, you can open your command line here. So the first thing we need to do when setting up, so we're going to create a visual environment. Okay, environment for our Django app, so that it can contain all the necessary library or components that are needed to run this app. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. Okay, so we are going to run a command to create. We're going to run a command to create our virtual environments on this folder. Because if you look at my folder pattern, you will see that I have. Okay, so this is where the environment is going to set up. So by pressing enter, okay, so the virtual environment is going to be set up, quickly on our projects. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay, so we have okay, so we have done that. So all this setup, all this information, I will also make sure that I upload it on my GitHub. Okay, so I'm going to leave my GitHub link down below. All right, so that you can have access to some of this documentation and agenda that I created in this Python series. Alright, so after the installation, so what we need to do next is to activate our visual environment. Okay, so we are going to run this code. All right, so we are going to run this code to set up our visual environment. So we press enter. So immediately I will press enter. You will see that from this level down to this level, we have the VENV, which is the name that we use when we are creating. If you look at the previous command, you will see that we use this name. So whatever name you use here is going to be the name of your visual environment. Okay, so for you, if you use another name, so what we need to do to activate your visual environment is to make sure that it starts with that name, because I am in the same folder. So if I type dir, okay, so dir will enable you to show what you have presently in your folder. So in my Django web app, presently after running the setup for virtual environment, I have this folder. Okay, so you can also access that same folder. So if you open the our web application folder here, you will see that we have this folder. All right, so and looking at that, let's quickly document what we have here. So what we now do is to activate the visual environment. So what we need to do is to put so if you look at this folder, so we have this folder here. So if I open it, you see that I have another folder which is representing the script. Okay, and finally if you open the script, you will see a file name called activate. All right, so that is what enable you to activate your virtual environment. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video.